Alright, so here is the best way on how to set up Verizon Hotspot on iPhone. So it's very easy and simple on how you can set up hotspot on any carrier. So what you have to do is just go ahead and open up settings. Once you open up settings, here as you can see, you will be able to see the option of personal hotspot right over here, and inside your um, menu or task manager, whatever. But if you press on turn on personal hotspot, it won't, because I don't have a courier installed on my sim. But yeah, before that you have to go to mobile services and you have to set up mobile services. Let's say you got Verizon, so you have to set up Verizon, and after that you just gotta go ahead and press on personal hotspot. As you can see, it's definitely not available for me, but if you press on it, it's off right now, and it's pretty simple. It's just like this Wi-Fi tag or Bluetooth tag, and right over here you'll be able to see this turn on option. Just gotta go ahead and turn it on like this, and you can just simply turn it on and off again like that. And you can even set passcode to it, and then your personal hotspot has been set it up. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this actually helped you out. I'll see you in the next one.